Welcome back to Those Crazy World. So today we're going to be playing Hypershot. If you guys don't know, I'm really good at this game, but the reason we're playing is because I got fired at Barber Bus last video because I did really bad haircuts and people started like getting really mad at me, so they fired me. So now we're playing this. We're going to try to die. Can you please come everybody? Please. Alright, you're not doing your job, bro. I'm going to have to fire you. Okay, let's just respawn because I want to show you guys my stuff I have. This is the loadout I usually have. It's pretty OP. And then I have this loadout. It's a little different. I do want to add that, equip that. But the sniper loadout, hold up, I really want that. Yes, so these loadouts look pretty cool. That's all I gotta say. I mean, I could edit this one just a bit. Get better guns out here. 200,000. Wait, this is a flamethrower. Hold on. 200,000. We're gonna do that though. We are gonna do that, chat. We're gonna do that because if you guys don't know, you can see my tralala. I mean, listen to this. Come on. You cannot resist to get this gun. It's only 19 Robux. So I went ahead and bought it because I mean it says tralala. I mean that's a kid's dream. Okay, victory.
I just got on a tree.
Defeat. Let's say hi to the viewers. Hello. Hi. Subscribe, please. Please subscribe. Subscribe. No. I want the skyline. No, bro.
I don't even know
what is this.
Oh,
it's capture flag. Hopefully we're on the same team. Boom, easy.
Oh, I gotta say it's loud. I'm on.
Say I'm on Bluetooth. So I'm just going straight for. We'll find out right now. Yep, we're on the same team. I can't slide. We're having a flag there. I have the flag in my hands, guys. Oh my god, I'm taking damage. Someone heal me. Someone heal me. I need a medic. Right, like immediately. Oh wait, did I go the wrong way? Oh, it's all good, dang it. And that's one flag captured. I mean, yeah. Get away from the flag. Okay, easy. Easy. Oh, this knife is really OP. That's all I gotta say. Wait, he's Yamo. Wait.
No.
That's our flag. Yes. If I get this kill, oh, I didn't get the kill. Alright, is it fitting? Oh my god, of course I died to this kid, bro. Yes, I'd like to accept it. What do you got? Oh my god. How do I add? I'll give you that. I'll give you a lightning one.
No. Dang it. So close to taking the flag.
Oh, coin. Let's go. Bro, there's so many people. Bro, I just keep killing the same kid. Bro, we're over here yet we're not even taking the flag yet. Running. Easy. Bro, my phone's gonna explode playing this game, bro.
Go. Come on, let's go in the sea.
I come in hot. Let's go. Oh, now they're trying to guard it? Oh, that's nothing. Yoink! Overdrive it.
I wanna take it. No, I wanna take it.
Sorry, hold up. Just kicking. I should celebrate on the way there. Oh, people are shooting at me. Someone has a sniper, bro.
Did you take it?
No! Carlos is trying to celebrate. Bro, what are you doing, man? Get away from me. Exactly. He's like sniping at me. Probably has a jump pad.
Unless I can.
Probably has a jump pad.
Unless I can.
He's gonna destroy us all.
No.
Oh, back to menu. Hold on. I gotta get another loadout. Hold on. I'm gonna use this one. Should I use this? Yeah, I'm gonna use this loadout. This might be a better loadout for this. This might be better. Bro, that's my gun. Who? Someone picked up my gun. No, that's my gun. Okay, Yama, give us a flag back. I say give us a flag back, right? You got him?
No.
He's still running? No.
Got it?
Yeah. That's what it said on the screen, too. Well, how did I not pick that up? No, oh my god, hold up. Holy hacks. What are those hacks? What are these hacks? What are these hacks? What are these hacks? Bro? Who's hacking? The Yamo kid might be hacking, because I kind of shot him a lot of times when I was trying to kill him. Yeah, he wasn't taking a lot of damage, right? So we're gonna go in.
No. Continue spawning.
Okay, see, I'm behind all these walls, right? Yeah, okay, what are these hacks? Hold up. Hold up, that's such a hack. They shot me through a wall, bro. I mean, you guys saw that. They shot me straight through a wall. They were behind the wall that I was. And they're gonna think this is hacky too.
What the heck?
I'm not even using
He's
my...
not doing any damage.
Exactly! He's not taking any damage when he's shooting. Okay, wait. What the heck? Oh, I gotta wipe the screen down there. Ooh, okay. Okay, really, bro? Who even shot me in the first place, bro? I swear, so this game, where can I go? Tell me. I'm not gonna be. I want to know where they're getting them so I can put an end to it. Oh, I got Yamo. Okay, he might not be happy, or he even turned off his gun. Okay, I want you to win more damage. Oh my god, bro, this hacker. They're like shooting me from out of nowhere. Alright, I'm gonna change my load up. Changing my load up. These coins, I'd like to use coins. Look at their guard there. See, okay, so I'm at 320, right? I just take max damage possible. 160? 160 still okay. 175, 33, 290. Okay. Okay. Okay, what? Okay, what? Okay, what? This is what I mean. That's what I mean. I'm so close, and then all of a sudden, They're just random that I'm definitely killing. That's what I mean, guys. If you can tell me in the comments if someone hacking or they just good at the game. I feel like they might be hacking. Like, there's no way a level 9 has a shotgun that's million coins. I have not even hit my first million. I'm like level like God knows too much. Someone's going up to the crane, bro. Where are they at? No way he captured the flag. See, we're all up on him, but he's not taking damage. I got a problem. Like a big problem. I don't like him. Okay, he's taking our flag? Oh yeah? How? We're the ones. Got him. So, yeah, I'm gonna guard the flag. Oh my god, Ray. Okay, what? Got him. He has like guards. Oh. Got him. Okay, I'm going on top of the bank. Okay, I'm on top of the bank. But it's gonna help us save our kills. No, I didn't. Okay, we won. We won. That's good. We've won, but that was a hard match because what play? Oh, I came in first place. Oh! Mall? Where's the mall? No, I want the mall. How are there only 2 people? I was just letting everyone fight for it. Team deathmatch? Alright.
When's the mall? Wait, other teams?
Alright. Yeah, you're on my team. When it comes to these types of matches, I'm good. I think. Oh, holy diamonds. Diamonds are rare. They're actually good. I'm gonna go back to my menu real quick. 99,000 coins. Let's go. This is one of my favorite loadouts. I like these 2 loadouts. I've tried to upgrade the sniper loadout to be a little like more effective. Because look at this. Like, it's kind of too... Yeah, hold up. I need to get more, My sister's going, guys. Okay, wait. I'm trying to get the shotgun that I have. Okay, wait. Yeah, I could. I'm gonna upgrade the shotgun, or sorry, the sniper, by going, if I could add maybe like a better, like something like this would help us, but let's favorite it and put that equip. Okay, guys, if you don't know what this does, it puts a random favorited weapon. Okay, really? This is what I get? Are you serious? It's okay. It's okay, guys. It does like no damage. It does no damage, guys. This does not enough damage. I can tell you that right now. Okay, we're gonna actually change that back to our. Wait. Sniper. Where's the sniper go? No. Oh, I see what it does now. Oh my gosh, I'm dumb. I see how to. Okay, wait. This one, we're not gonna add. What we want a. I think it's a shotgun, maybe. What is it? Wait, what is that? SMG. Oh, we can't put an SMG on here. I thought we could. Wait, no, we can. Okay, let's put that on here. Okay. We have a different loadout, guys. It's a little bit different. Oh, I definitely want to go up there with my sniper. Hold up. Imagine we're sniping up there. Hold up, that'd be awesome. Hold up. We're actually gonna change back, guys. Spawn in. Oh, I made it. Let's go, guys. I made it. They're not gonna know where these shots are coming from. Come on, let's go. I went the wrong way, didn't I? Dang it. Yeah, snipers. You got snipers in there. Boom. They do not know where these shots are coming from. I have auto shoot formation. Okay. Got him. If only I could build. Okay, wait. Got him. How do I get these coins there? You ready for admin these guys? Come here. Please? Yes. W. I want to change my loadout back to maybe this? I don't know. Oh, we have 100,000. Hold up, let's go ahead and unlock some stuff. 10,000, we do not need this. 100,000 for this thing. I mean, we could. Bro, this looks insane. Just saying. I really want the flamethrower, but it's 1,000,000 coins, I think. Let me check. Let me check it out. It's in shotguns, I think. 200,000. That is not too much. That is not a lot, guys. You guys see that? That is not a lot. 200,000. We gotta get 200,000. I get like 1,000 each game, or not 1,000, maybe 5,000 each game. Because I get a lot of kills a game. I'm always in like first place for some reason. Okay. There's some more. Okay, buddy. They're actually dumb for using the splash potion, because when you die, they drop their health. Like, I see that, don't you? Like, now I had to use mine because it went off the map for me, but I can just slide into it. And boom, I have like new health. And it regens all your health. But unless it's in combat, then you use your splash potion. Or if you haven't killed them yet. See, now I used it. Oh, okay, really, buddy. I swear, as right as I use it, I just get killed somehow. And I just regen my health. Imagine playing on PS5. Wait, guys, if you don't know, this is a live stream, but it's pre-recorded. Kind of pre-recorded. No, I'm not in the live. I just started live. Okay. See, I feel like I should have collected that health. Not gonna lie. It's so good too. Bro, why does this guy think he's a sweat, bro? Like, this guy that just killed me, this guy thinks he's like the best. I swear. He's not. Like, what the heck? Oh, look, he's like sweating. Oh, I didn't kill him, dang it. God dang it. Okay, buddy, hold up. Rewind it. Did I kill him? Guys, tell me in the comments if I killed him. Okay, this time I did. Yo, hold up. There's so many people over here. Go back to the menu. Hold up. That's a lot of coins. I do want to unlock a skin first and put mythical. We'll buy 20,000. I'm just 5,000. I'll buy 5,000. Even though this is like super good. What should I get? I should put it on the Lego Trello. That's not bad. Alright, let's see what we get. It's wooden, so we can't get anything too crazy, too crazy. And we, of course, get the... we don't need it. But yeah, it's not necessarily the best thing we could draw. So it's looking for like a legendary. Yeah, they're guarding us. Make sure we can't get out. Oh, I just... Okay, I'm killing this one now. Hey, look, he's on me. What? Oh, don't even. I should buy a pack. Oh my god. A lot of kids on me. I can't even walk out. What? What?